Hi all, this is a video regarding how to generate report card. Now the primary step is let me log in into our Smart School application page by entering our credentials, and you can see that I enter my credentials on my screen. Now click on sign in button so that we are logged into our Smart School application page, and now here select the configurations and click on exam configuration module, so that here you can see the page with the course skill set, gradings, assignment names, report card names and final report card name. And now primarily we have to select the academic year. Here I am selecting this 2020 and 2021. Okay, now here you can see the course skill set. Now these are the already created skill set. Now for our understanding, let me create a new one. So click on the add course skill set. Now here you can create a course skill, for example course skill 3. Click on add button so that on the left side of the page you can see the course skill 3. Click on it. So here you can previously you can see that here there are some of the courses that which are already added for dancing and all this. So here you can see that weightage has been divided because the weightage is 100. How many skills you can create, but the weightage has to be balanced. For example, in this scenario, let me take only one skill. Here I am writing skill, and description is also let me take as writing, and here I would like to take maximum marks as 25, and here you can see that maximum allowed is 100%. So in previously we have seen the three skills with 100 weightage, 25, 50 and 25. Now in this scenario I am selecting only one skill, so I will keep 100 as a weightage. Now click on submit button so that here you can see that has been added. Now click on save button so that it has been saved. Now you can see grading. Click on grading so that here you can see the already previously created gradings. So for our understanding, let me create a new grade. Click on the plus grade name. So here let me write as grade grade 3 and click on add button so that on the left side of the page the grade 3 was added, and here in this we can give the gradings for the particular marks to marks. So here let me take as minimum marks 25, as maximum as 25, and grade let me take it as O, outstanding, and grade marks I would like to take 10. So this is based on our requirement. So here we can, so now click on submit button so that here you can see that which is created. Now if you want to add more, click on add more button. So here let me take as 15 minimum marks and maximum marks as 20 and grade as A plus. So here grade marks let me take as 9 and let me take as 9. So okay, now here let me take as very good, select very good and click on submit button so that here you can see another table. So in this way you can add many grades based on our requirement. So in this scenario I am only creating 2 grades. Click on save button so that it has been going to save, and now click on assessment name, and here you can see we can create a mini assessment based on our requirements. So if you these are the already created assessment. Now if you want to create a new assessment, click on plus button so that here you have to add the assessment name. Let me take as FA underscore P. Click on save button so that at the bottom of this you can see FAP, that which is created now, and beside that you can also edit that assessment name. So after that go to report card names, and here you can see that many report cards. Now as in assessment name I has created that FAP as an assessment name. So the same name has to be created for report card also. So click on plus button so that here you can see report card name type. So let me take as FA underscore P and report card type is course. Click on save button so that here you can see on the bottom that report card has been generated. So this is a generation of particular report card. Now let me go into our class app so that we can assess marks to a particular student for this skill name. Okay. So now let me log in into our smart class application by entering our credentials. Now click on sign in button so that we are logged into our smart class application. So here you can see the report card. Click on it. So select the grade and here you can see the exam definition, marks, assessment, and we can learn so step by step. Now the primary step is exam definition. Now for example, let me select a grade 3A and subject as Hindi. So here you have to fix the assessment name that was previously created to this particular section. So here click on add new button so that here you will get date. Let me select the date, assessment date, and name as FAP and grading as grade 3 previously created, and skill name previously we are created course skill 3. So here as previously created I only created one skill, so it is visible on our screen. So click on save button so that now with the for third grade the previously created report card was assessed. Now click on marks assessment. So here let me select as 3A and subject Hindi, and here click on select assessment name so that here you can see FAP. Click on it. Here you will get a list of students and click on the student profile, and here you have to give the marks, and I would like to give 25. So like this you can allot the marks for the students of 3A. So now click on save button so that the marks are going to save for FAP assessment. Now report card. Here let me select grade and section and subject. Okay. Now here previously in exam definition we assigned the previously created assessment to 3A grade sections. So as the same way we have to assign the report card of FAP to these 3A students. So now click on add new button so that here name FAP and grading grade 3, and starting date is let me take as today, and ending date also let me take as today. And here you can see the assessment names, and these are already previously created for 3A. So now in this video I created FAP. So select the checkbox and weightage, let 100 weightage, and now click on save button so that these report card details has saved to 3A grade sections. Okay, now let me select 3A and Hindi in same report card definitions, and here you can see the report card as FAP. Okay, now here you can see the weightage and also along with the maximum marks. Click on generate report card. So by this way the teacher has created the generated a report card. So the same way another teacher has to be created. For example, for 3A there are 3 to 4 subjects allotted for 3 to 4 students, 3 to 4 teachers, sorry. So the 3 to 4 teachers has to be assigned the same process of marks, and after all the completion we have to go to school app. Okay. So now I am logged into our school app again, and now let me click on configuration modules, exam configurations. Okay, now at the last you can see the final report card, and now here you have to select the grade and also the section and also the report card FAQ. So here you can see the two Telugu and also Hindi. Telugu and Hindi, as I only allotted Telugu and Hindi to 3A. So there is a total subjects are 2. So the two teachers has assigned their marks to the 3A grade. Now here finally the report card has been going to ready, and now click on generate final report card. So here you can see publish final report card, and these will be appeared when all the subjects of all the teachers are assigned their marks. So here in this scenario I am selected only 2 subjects, so the 2 subject teachers are allotted their marks, and now click on publish final report card, so that the report card has been generated and the notification was sent to the parent tab. So this is a video regarding how to generate report card, and thank you.